Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful denim handbags ideas. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. So friends, my first idea is weavers. Denim handbags are very popular because they are strong, stylish, and easy to use. Denim fabric is known for its durability. That is why denim bags last for a long time. At the same time, they look trendy and modern. Denim handbags come in many styles. Some are simple and clean, some are decorated with embroidery, some have patches and design. Some are colorful and creative. You can use denim handbag for daily use. They are perfect for shopping, outing, and casual wear. They match easily with jeans, dresses, or everyday outfits. That is why denim handbags are loved by many people and friends. And my next idea is friends. And friends, that is why denim handbag loved by people. One of the best things about denim handbag is creative. You can design them in many ways. You can add embroidery, buttons, and friends, zip, pocket lace, crochet design, beads or patches. Each design gives a new look. Denim handbags are not just useful, they are also a fashion statement. They show a mix of casual style and creative. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.